In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress segments and profiles in Klaviyo. If you're managing email lists and want to ensure you're targeting the right people at the right time, understanding how to suppress segments and profiles is crucial. Suppressing segments helps refine your audience and improves the effectiveness of your email campaigns by ensuring that your emails are only going to the recipients who should receive them. This can help reduce unsubscribes, improve deliverability rates, and optimize your marketing effort overall. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you've done that, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is your primary navigation area where you can manage different aspects of your Klaviyo dashboard. From here, click on the tab labeled Audience. This is where you'll be able to access all information related to the contact profiles you're managing, whether individual entries, larger lists, or specific segments that you've created for targeted outreach. Next, in the Audience section, you'll find an option called Lists and Segments. Go ahead and select that. This choice will display all the lists and segments that have been set up within your account. Here, you'll be able to see a bird's-eye view of your contacts, including how they're grouped and any specific data you've chosen to segment them by. Taking a moment to review this can be incredibly insightful. You'll see immediately where your major audience groups are, or perhaps identify some segments that are no longer applicable for your ongoing marketing strategies. Once you've identified the specific list or segment you want to suppress, look for the three-dot icon next to it. It's typically positioned to the right of each entry, acting as a menu of options related to that particular list or segment. Clicking this icon will show a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From this drop-down, simply choose the option labeled Suppress Current Members. By selecting this, you're telling Klaviyo to exclude all the contacts in that particular segment or list from receiving emails. Keep in mind, suppression does not mean deletion. The contacts remain in your database, but are merely prevented from receiving email communications as long as they're suppressed. This tool is especially useful if you're preparing for a campaign and want to ensure you're excluding people who have opted out or should not be contacted for other reasons, such as new customers who need a different onboarding sequence. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully suppressed a segment or list within Klaviyo. This small step can significantly impact the way you manage your email marketing strategies, enhancing both user experience and campaign performance. Thank you for tuning in. And feel free to watch for more tutorials like this one to gain deeper insights into optimizing your CRM practices.